Good day guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're switching to Verizon eSIM, you can no longer need a personal physical SIM card. In this one, I will show you the guide and talk about how to activate Verizon eSIM on your iPhone or Android. So firstly guys, the most important part is to check the device compatibility, ensure your iPhone or Android supports eSIM. Dial a specific combination on your phone, which is going to be this one. 06 and again this symbol. All right, so you can see you can input this and this will confirm eSIM support on your phone. Right, next, if you're a new Verizon user, sign up online or visit a store to get your QR code or activation details. Existing users can request an eSIM transfer via My Verizon app. And after that, let us activate finally our eSIM, open Settings, Cellular, and add Cellular Plan, scan your QR code or enter the details manually. Follow the prompts and select Verizon as your default network. Right, after that, step number 4 is going to be verifying the activation. Make a test call or check your connection under Settings, Cellular, Networks. If you use Verizon LTE or 5G, your eSIM is active. And that's it, your Verizon eSIM is now activated. So guys, if you need help, drop your questions in the comments and we'll guide you through them as best we can. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, enjoy, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next one.